Last one for the day. We have a new development in the land of Coca-Cola, and we got to keep the people up to date on what's happening because because I put a focus into Coca-Cola, and once again, the news is coming at me about Coca-Cola, and I find it to be interesting. We talked earlier about covering it. It's a thing that is widely recognizable by a huge swath of the world from a cultural perspective. Here we have an interesting Coca-Cola story from Japan where Japan gets all the cool stuff. And to be honest with you, I'm kind of sick and tired of it.
Yeah, they kind of do.
They get all the cool things and never ends up over here. I mean, we got maple. If you need something maple, damn, maybe they got good maple in Japan, do they? Because they have that tree called the Japanese maple, but you can't get maple syrup out of that.
Yeah, if they decide to grow maple trees, then they're gonna.
I don't know, man. It's very regional. I don't know if it's possible.
Climate.
It's the conditions. I think the cold and the warm. That's why it's all northern Ontario and Quebec.
Yeah.
Like all the top grade stuff. Don't get me started on maple. I have a thing with maple.
Okay. Yeah. Please don't take our maple.
I have a thing about the maple. But anyhow, maybe a Coca-Cola maple. A Coca-Cola maple treat, Will? Anyway, that's not what we're here about today. I didn't know this, but strawberries are big in Japan when it comes to the holidays, the winter and Christmas. They associate the red of the strawberry with Christmas, white and red.
Oh, do they?
Yeah, I didn't know that.
Oh.
So apparently Coca-Cola is a bit late to the party. But what I love is this JapanToday.com news site does a legit review on Coca-Cola Strawberry.
Okay.
The read is incredible. It's like, however, when we poured it into a glass, we learned that Coca-Cola Strawberry is the same deep brown color that the regular flavor is. Before taking a sip, the only clue that you're in for something new is the smell. In the end, the best thing about Coca-Cola Strawberry is that it's a legitimately enjoyable soft drink.
Oh.
I mean, it's not a report that's kind of, what would you say, over the top? Yeah. It's the complete opposite. They're like, it's an enjoyable beverage. And thank you for reading our Coca-Cola Strawberry news report.
It's very Japan.
It's very Japan, and I like it.
Yeah.
And I like it.
Very subtle.
So apparently Pepsi has done some crazy flavors as well that haven't been received as well. Pepsi Ghost or Pepsi Shiso. I don't know any of those. I don't know what those are, but they don't sound appetizing to me as much. Listen to this. Coca-Cola Strawberry smells, though, it's not syrupy or cloying in flavor. What a report. Huh. And the base cola flavor isn't drowned out by the additional strawberry elements. Man, what a missed opportunity in life. Well, that could have been us. Mm-hmm. Sipping these things and saying, so we could be saying it's not syrupy or cloying in flavor. And the base cola flavor isn't drowned out. You and I could be saying that. Disgusting or sickening. See, we don't even use this word. And Japan Today, they got that word. Richness. It's unbelievable.
Do you think it's made out of strawberry fruit, or is it
No, how dare you? It's a Coca-Cola badge, man.
Well,
you think you got some real strawberry in there? What are you going to pay for that? $4? $8? 7-Eleven? I don't know. You know how Coke is. They got the laboratories. Yeah. They're sniffing the swatches.
It's a science experiment.
Focus groups and lab coats. But one thing that came to mind, and I think it probably came to the mind of other people looking at this, is what about cherry Coke? Is it going to be that different? But see, the thing about cherry Coke, the argument on a cherry Coke is that it tastes like cough syrup, sort of. It kind of has like a syrupy, and I think that's probably why they mentioned the syrupy thing down at the bottom there. They say because this is strawberry, there's a tiny bit of tart in there, which could be interesting.
Right.
That you don't get with the cherry. So they covered it. Now we covered it. It's a lot of coverage on a strawberry Coca-Cola. If you're in Japan and you can send Willie Do a strawberry Coca-Cola limited edition while it's still there, it would be greatly appreciated. He spoke to me before we shot the show today. And when he saw the topic, he said, man, it's terrible. We got no viewers in Japan, all the cool things in Japan. I said, well, we can do something about that.
Yes, we could. I'd love to try it.
There you
I'm
go.
sure you would like
It could be live on the show.
Yeah.
This could be the one.
Yeah.
What should we do? This one and the
coffee?
coffee one.
Yeah.
We should do both of those. All right. Get in touch with Willie Doo. He's will@lulater.com. Strawberry Coca-Cola. What a time to be alive.